Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you 4 unmissable steps that you need to take if you want to generate leads online.
Are you ready?
Hey guys, Andrew and Pete here, and these days about 94.5% of our leads come from our online content. So if you're currently networking your face off, cold calling your soul away, or just relying on referrals, then this video is for you.
We're going to give you the 4 unmissable levels to successfully generate leads online. Starting with number 1, create an audience using the 90-10 rule. We've done a whole video about the 90-10 rule, so make sure you check it out over here. But the premise of this is simple. Spend 90% of your marketing efforts just doing one thing remarkably well. Here's the thing, if you want to generate leads online, you need people paying attention to you. And if all you're doing is spending all of your efforts split between, like LinkedIn and YouTube and your podcast and your blog and Twitter and Facebook and all these things, then you're gonna get nowhere. So the first step is to build an audience, but more specifically, to build an audience just in one place by focusing 90% of your efforts on it.
Number 2 is to do the unscalable by actually talking to people. Yes, this isn't a scalable strategy, but it's important. When you are building your audience online and trying to generate leads from it, the worst thing that you can do is think it's super easy and just sit back while you automate everything and spam people to death and just remove yourself completely from it.
Can I just shout like spam? 'Cause that'd be funny.
Okay, come on.
Spam!
Christina, could you leave the bit in where Pete says, can I just shout spam? Because it'll be funny. And this bit.
No, you don't want to spam them. You actually want to get to know your audience, your future potential clients, customers, fans, champions of what you do. And the best way to do that is to actually be proactive in that relationship building process.
Number 3 is to sell something that people want, but more importantly, explain it well. Now, the 4th step coming up is actually the clincher to all of this, but this step is really important. Before we get to that, we want you to make sure that you're actually selling something that other people want to buy.
We personally have wasted so much time, energy, resources, budget on trying to sell things that people didn't necessarily want or understand. And it's very frustrating. Very frustrating.
You could tell by your voice. You could tell, yeah.
Spam!
Don't put spam in my face.
It's very frustrating.
Hang on, where we at? Right,
I don't think they understand how frustrating it was.
I think everyone understands,
It's
Pete.
very frustrating.
One of the biggest issues we see with small business owners isn't necessarily to do with their marketing. It's actually just making it super clear, 1, what you do, and 2, what someone can actually buy from you. It sounds like really basic, doesn't it? But some people just are not really clear on those 2 things.
This needs to be really simple and straightforward and absolutely clear. In fact, I went on a little bit of a rant about this in our last video last week, and you should definitely go check it out. It's about how to 90-10 your business so that it's clear, it's focused, and it makes sense, and you'll grow quicker because of it.
I didn't have much to say in that one.
No, I did all the work, as usual.
And number 4 is to focus...
One more time, sorry.
Knew he wasn't ready.
I was ready, I just didn't know when you were going to start.
And number 4 is to focus on getting people to take that first step in your funnel. It's all well and good doing a ton of audience building content with step 1, but you need to answer this question. If someone is going to buy whatever it is that you are selling, what is that logical first step?
It could be to get a quote, it could be to download a price guide, it could be a webinar, it could just be to hop on the phone. Whatever it is, you just need to make it really crystal clear and obvious and in your face.
Really surprised you didn't say spam.
Tempted. And again, it sounds so simple, but people just don't do this. Why don't you do this, people? It's very frustrating.
We were talking to somebody not so long ago, and they told us the first step was to get a potential customer on the phone. And we said to them, okay, well, does it say that on your website? Like, is there a big call to action that says, pick up the phone and call me? Or does it say that in your social bios? Or do you even post about that online? And she said, no, I don't really have any of that. All I really have is a contact page.
Your potential customers aren't stupid. but they are very busy and very distracted. So you need to make it really clear and super like, in their face what it is you want them to do and why they should do it.
So how to generate leads online. Number 1, create an audience in one place. Number 2, do the unscalable by talking to people. Number 3, make it really obvious what people can buy from you. And number 4, push people towards that first step in your funnel and make that really, really clear.
Sound good? Let us know in the comments what you think. And while you're down there, why not hit that big red shiny subscribe button?
I've been Andrew.
I've been Pete.
See you next time. Go on, one more time.
Spam!